Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today I have with me the Osaka LED 10-inch ring light and tripod stand. Come with me as I tell you that why even you should get your hands on this awesome duo of ring light and light stand with you for all your videography and photography work. The Osaka 10-inch LED ring light is the perfect option for those who love recording videos or capture pictures using their DSLR cameras or smartphones. It makes it quite easy to adjust the color temperature without using color filters, which also means that you can avoid those unwanted shadows or over-the-top brightness when creating content. In fact, this awesome LED ring light is equipped with 220 high-quality SMD LEDs and 3 different lighting modes including white light, natural light and warm light. Each of these lights is bright enough to beautify your face while you're recording your videos or taking selfies. You also get along a sturdy tripod stand which is 9 feet tall and easily adjustable. It comes attached with a USB cable that can be easily connected to your PC, laptop, power bank, adapters or any other device that has a USB port. To fix the ring light on this stand is a total cakewalk, and so it is to carry it around when you bring it down to its normal size. To fix your devices like your phone or DSLR camera, Osaka also offers you a mobile holder and a T-bracket that are quite easy to mount on the ring light. All in all, the Osaka 10 inches big LED ring light and 9 feet tall stand is a blessing for those who often record videos, attend live sessions or click pictures. So hurry up and buy this on Amazon right now, and I'll see you next time with another exciting product like this. Bye bye.